Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Z Educate. Guys, today we are going to learn about adjectives. What are the adjectives? How we are going to use those adjectives in grammar course, and what are their importance related to noun, pronoun, adverbs, common noun, and etc. So let's start. First of all, I want to tell you that what is an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes the traits, qualities, or number of a noun. You know very well that noun is the name of person, place, thing, and animal. So, how it describes, for example, if we are talking about a person or an animal like dog, this is a white dog. So white is your adjective. So because it's highlighting that point and how that dog is fluffy or the dog is beautiful. For example, what are the examples of adjectives? See, like beautiful, smooth, heavy, these all are called adjectives. Now the beautiful means we are talking about the quality in the sense of beauty. Okay, so the dog is very beautiful or that flower is very beautiful. This teddy bear is very smooth. I have a heavy gift in my hands. So heavy describes an adjective. As adjectives are as numbers as well, that I have 12 eggs. So 12 is your adjective and eggs is your noun. So what is adjective? Adjective describe the noun qualities. Okay, adjective जो है वो noun को describe करता है. If we are talking about a person, there are 20 person in the ground. So your 20 जो हम कह रहे हैं वो आपका adjective है. Person is your noun. Let's see some more examples and explanation. What is the difference between adjective and adverbs? I have already told you about adverbs, that adjective modify nouns while adverbs modify adjectives and other adverbs. Adverbs is are very similar, but there is a big difference in adverbs and adjectives. आपको यही लग रहा होगा कि ये तो चीज मैंने आपको adverbs में बताई थी, वही adjective में नहीं. इसमें बहुत फर्क है. You can check that video again if you have ended up or you are confused in that. So please go and have a look of first adverbs video, then come on adjectives video, then your concept will be smoothly clear. Okay, so adjectives are, for example, in the phrase this very funny. Now the guy is very funny or this movie is very funny. Very is your adverb and funny is an adjective that is describing the movie. For suppose that movie is so boring, that boring is your adjective. Okay, can adjectives modify adverbs? Adjectives can only modify nouns. Adverbs को कभी भी adjectives describe नहीं करते, ठीक है? हमेशा nouns को describe करते हैं और nouns में हमारा क्या क्या आता है? Name, person, animal, thing, idea, emotions, ठीक है? For example, let's have some examples. अगर हम taste की बात करते हैं तो taste में आपका adverbs कैसे आता है? Like fruity, this candy is too fruity. Gingery, lemon flavored. Mint, I like to have some mint candies. Pickle, salty, I like salty snacks or crackers. ठीक है? Sour, spicy, I like to eat spicy food. Sweet, I love sweet dishes. ठीक है? इस तरह से ये आपके क्या, अब sweet आपका किसको डिफाइन करा है? एडजेक्टिव्स को, ठीक है? आपको स्वीट किसको डिफाइन करें? एडजेक्टिव्स को. फ्रूटी इज डिफाइनिंग एडजेक्टिव्स, दैट दिस कैंडी इज वेरी फ्रूटी. अब कैंडी जो है वो आपकी एक नाउन के ऊपर आ रही है कि आप एक कैंडी के बारे में बात करो. अगर आप कैंडी की कंपनी के बारे में बात करते हो तो वो किस में और टॉपिक पे चले जाते हैं, पर इस वक्त हम उसके टेस्ट की बात करें तो जहां बात टेस्ट की आ जाती है तो नाउन हमेशा किसे सपोर्ट करता है? सॉरी एडजेक्टिव कैसे सपोर्ट करते हैं नाउन्स को, ठीक है। अब हम कैंडी की बात कर रहे हैं, तो फ्रूटी इज योर एडजेक्टिव एंड कैंडी इज योर नाउन. Let's see some more examples on touch, like boiling, cold, dirty, dry, greasy, hot, hard. This is a hard shelf. Shelf is your noun and hard is your adjective. I have a hot cup of coffee. Cup is your noun and hot is your adjective. This floor is too much greasy. Floor is your noun and greasy is your adjective. Her dress is too much dirty. Now dirty is your adjective. Good job. Now let's do some sounds practice. Sound practice of adjectives, that what words are coming in adjective. I have few examples, not much, but few are there. Let's repeat along with me. Loud, loud, noisy, noisy, mute, mute, soft, soft, thundering, thundering, silent, silent. Thundering means जब बिजली चमकती है, okay? So हम कहते हैं thundering. Silent. And now what is the difference between silent and mute? Mute means आप कुछ देर के लिए उससे खुद pause कर रहे हैं, और silent means किसी हॉल में बहुत सारे लोग बैठे and there is a pin drop silence. ऐसा लगता कोई है ही नहीं, ठीक है? So make sure there is a difference between mute and silent. Noisy, बहुत शोर शराबे वाली जगह. Loud, loud means बहुत चीखना चिल्लाना. Noisy means शोर शराबा और loud means चीखना चिल्लाना. Soft, आराम से बात करना. Thank you so much guys. I hope you like today's topic. And उम्मीद है कि आप practices कर रहे होंगे. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell notification button. See you soon in my next video. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.